dear students, how are you all? So, yesterday we had a live class on degrees of comparison and we have discussed some of the book exercise based on this. I have given you 2 exercises for homework and we have discussed the answers for these, and we have also discussed some of your doubts if you were having those. So, 2 more exercises are left out in this chapter. After that we will be finishing with the adjectives chapter. So let's discuss the exercises that are left out, and I have also given you for homework. So I hope you have finished your homework. So let's tell you your answers now. So it is exercise number D and it is book work. So let's see what you have to do. Identify the errors in the sentences and rewrite them in the notebook. So it is your wish whether you want to do it in the book or in the notebook. So let's see first what errors are there and then use the correct adjective in place of that. Okay. Kerala is the more literate state in India. So now, can you spot the error in this? Kerala is the more literate state. Is it right? If we are using the, which degree should be used here? Superlative degree. So what it should be? So first of all, you will underline more in your books, that is error, and then you will write most in place of that, because most is used as a superlative degree. Most literate state if we are using the. That Greg has signed the agreement is the latest news. Okay, so that Greg has signed the agreement is the latest news. So this should be the answer. It is later news. Again, the is there. Should we use later for this? No. So what it should be? Latest. So you will underline later and you will use instead latest. Okay. This flat is superior than that. Now comparison between two things. So superior. Should we use superior? It is used as a superlative degree. So what it should be? Inferior. This flat is superior than that, you can say inferior than that, or you can even say this flat is less superior than that. So it is more and most. So it is, this flat is, since the is not used, so it is that the superlative degree has also not been used. So this flat is more superior, we will write more superior than that, because when the is used, we are sure that we have to use the second comparative degree, and second comparative degree we always use the word more. And first we will see which degree has been used in the sentence. It is positive degree. So how will we change into second degree? By adding more superior. Okay. The event took place prior to her wedding. Now prior to her wedding. See the sound that they have used. Prior to her wedding, it should be no. So this is the spot, the error that we have spotted. So it should be to her wedding. So this way you will spot the error. Okay. The near hospital is 3 kilometers from here. Is it the near hospital? 3 kilometers from here. No. If we have used the, which degree should be used? Superlative. So it should be the nearest hospital. The is already there. So what we will add is simply nearest. Hospital is already there. Now, okay. Sunita is the oldest of the 2 siblings. Now, Sunita is the oldest of the 2 siblings. Is it correct? When we are comparing between 2 only, should we use a superlative degree over there? No. So what should we write? Sunita is more older of the 2 siblings. Yes. Sunita is more older of the 2 siblings, or than 2 siblings, that is one of the same thing. Okay. The letter applicant to attend the meeting is Tia. Now, the letter applicant to attend the meeting is Tia. No. The later, latest. So, it should be the latest applicant to attend the meeting is Tia, because the has been used. So, which degree we are going to use is superlative. So, it is the latest. That is the last one. James is the more creative student in the school. James is the more creative. If the is there, again superlative degree. So what should we write? Most creative. So this way you are going to do this. Okay. Iron is most useful than any other metal. Than any other metal. Between two things we are comparing. So should we use most? No. Then what we will use? Iron is more useful. So cut most, add more. Okay, the last one. You are requested to assemble in the auditorium without any further delay. So you are requested to assemble in the auditorium without any further delay. No, further delay. So it is always further, farther, farthest. Okay. So with this we finish this exercise. Moving on to the last one now, that is exercise D. What you have to do is, I have already given as homework. Change the degrees of comparison of each of the sentences as instructed. So you don't have to change the meaning of the sentence. Simply what you have to do is just change it according to the degree mentioned in the brackets. So let's discuss your answers. Okay. So let's do this exercise. Let me rub this. I hope you have noted down your answers. Okay, so this is the last exercise to be done from this chapter. So this is exercise number E. And what is the page number? Let me mention here, page number 63. And the first one is done for you, so we will be taking the second one now. The teacher said that my essay was the best. Now, you have to change it into positive degree. What is best? Superlative degree. What are the three degrees? Good, better, best. Now we have to change best into this means good. So how will we do? And you don't have to change the sense of the sentence. The teacher said that my essay was good. So you have to write the whole sentence. The teacher said that my essay was good. So this way you will change without changing the meaning of the sentence. Okay, coming to the third one. Grapes are not as juicy as mangoes. Now you have to change into comparative degree. Are not as juicy as mangoes. So how will we do? We'll say mangoes are more juicy than grapes. Mangoes are more juicy than, so see, I have compared the two fruits than grapes. Right. Next one. This restaurant serves tasty Italian dishes. Change it into superlative. So this restaurant serves the most tasty Italian dishes. This restaurant what is the sentence? Serves the most tasty Italian dishes. So we have changed it by adding most, and the meaning is also not changed, and we have converted it into superlative. Okay. Next one. I haven't met a pet as obedient as Bruno, and you have to change it again into superlative. So what it is? As obedient as Bruno. They have used a comparative degree. We have done as and than once. Okay, so how will you change? Let's see. Bruno is the most obedient pet I have ever met. So let's do Bruno is the most obedient pet. So the most obedient pet is your superlative degree. The most obedient pet, what is the sentence? I have ever met. So this way you are going to change it. Coming to the next one, the daffodils are rare to find. Okay. We have to change it into comparative degree. The daffodils are rare to find. How will you change? We will say the daffodils are rarer to find. The daffodils are comparative. We have to change. So we'll see the daffodils are rarer. They have used the word rare. Just see, are rare. So what we will use? Rarer than other animals to find. So by using the word rarer, we have changed it into the comparative degree. So it becomes the daffodils are rarer than other animals to find. So we are comparing between other animals. Okay. Other animal rather than other animal. Okay. So this way we will do. I hope you have noted down the answers. So let's move on to the seventh one now. I hope you have noted down the answers, or you can just move back if you want to see the previous answers. Okay. What it is, the sweater is warmer than all others I have. Is warmer than all others I have, and you have to change it into superlative degree again. So this sweater is the warmest of all others I have. So let's write this sweater. You have to be very, very careful that the meaning of the sentence is not changed, but the degree should be changed. Okay. So this sweater is the warmest, superlative degree, of all others I have. So of all the sweaters, this one is the warmest. Okay. The habit of reading is better than any other leisure activity, and you have to change it into positive degree. Is better than any. Better, which degree has been used? Comparative degree, but we have to use positive degree. So what should we do? We will write the habit of reading is good leisure activity. So it will be the habit of reading. Should we compare between two things? No. So simply we will say the habit of reading is good leisure activity. So this way you will do this. Okay. Mehul is the best orator in the school. Now, the best. Superlative degree has been used, but we have to use the comparative. So let's see. Mehul is better than all other orators in the school. Okay, so what we will do? Mehul is better. Mehul is better than other orators in the school. Okay. Coming to the last one, so better, good, better and best. Better is comparative degree. Sincerity towards work is more important than smartness. Now, sincerity towards work is more important. More is again comparative degree. Which degree we have to use? We have to use the positive degree. So how will we write? Sincerity towards work is important than smartness. We'll remove the word more. Sincerity towards work is important. It's a big sentence, although important than smartness. So you have to be very sincere while doing your work. Okay? Sincerity towards work is more important than smartness. You have to be smart, but then you have to be sincere also, and that too even more sincere than you are smart in your work. So with this we finish the degrees of comparison. I hope you all have done the book work. So next video we are going to take up one chapter as I have discussed in live video. Today in live session also, that we will be dealing with chapter 5 from your reader book. So I just want that before just watching the video, so you just read the chapter 1 so that whatever difficult meanings are there in the sentence, in the chapter, you are able to understand them better, and you will also know the story when I will be explaining it. So tomorrow just read the chapter and be prepared for the reading in the class. So that's all for today from my side. Stay safe, stay